Hello and welcome to Been There, Done That, Got the T-shirt, the TV show all about concerts and gigs. Coming up in this week's show, we talk to the legendary Lady Gaga about her new album and the much anticipated Art Rave, the Art Pop Ball. We will be reviewing the latest tour from Mr. will.i.am, which we caught at the O2 Arena. Plus, we will be giving you the chance to win an amazing concert bundle prize in our competition later in the show. But first, we are days away from the end of 2013, and that means there is a whole new year of concert fixtures to come, and we have compiled our top 10 not to miss next year for you. Here we go. At 10, McFly and Busted have joined together for 2014 to bring us McBusted. Catch them live at the O2 Arena on April 24th. At 9, it's sure to be an absolutely fantastic gig. It's only Gary Barlow's solo tour. Kicking off in April, tickets start at only £35. At number 8, you're sure to be woken up with Avicii's latest arena tour. On the 20th of February at Phones For You Arena, it's sure to be a night not to miss. Something special at 7, Justin Timberlake brings us the highly anticipated 2020 Experience Tour. Next year, this showman will have you dancing in the aisles. At 6, all you Katy cats will be excited as Katy Perry is coming to town. On the 20th of May, she will be in Manchester for her Prismatic Tour, guaranteed to be filled with hits and fun. In at number 5, Drake asked us if we'd like a tour. Yes please, and that's exactly what he's going to do, starting in March with tickets starting at only £40. Taking the number 4 position is the legend that is Mr. Robbie Williams, with his Swing Both Ways tour coming to the Manchester Phones For You Arena this June. Tickets range from £55 to £95 and promises it to be a night to remember. At 3, we all love to twerk, but no one loves to twerk more than Miley Cyrus, and she will be touring the UK this May. All I can say is, prepare to be shocked. Just pipped to the top at number 2, it's Gaga Mama. She's back. Lady Gaga brings you her Art Rave, the Art Pop Ball tour later next year, and with Gaga, you know it's going to be huge. Another not to miss. And our crowning concert for 2014 goes to Mrs. Carter herself, Beyoncé. If you didn't see her this year, she's come back for some more fun. The Mrs. Carter Show Leg 2 is back in the UK in February, and after seeing this year's spectacular, you don't want to miss it next year. Tickets start at £55 and can be bought from Ticketmaster. Now you've seen our top 10 concerts for 2014, we want to know who you are most looking forward to seeing next year. Tweet us at BTDTGT and we'll read some out later in the show. Still to come, we speak to Lady Gaga about all things art pop, so don't go anywhere. Hello and welcome to MaxBid TV. Later we'll be having jewellery, but first I'm here at Men's Fashion to show you the new Barbour Men's Quilted Jacket. Now this is a limited edition for us. It's available in black, brown and in this case navy. It's made in the UK by Barbour themselves. It's got great features like the leather area there, double pockets which is always handy for putting your hands in this winter season, and it's really nice and warm. Now because it's made in the UK, you can tell the quality is there and you'd expect a high price. That's not the case here at MaxBid TV. Usual RRP is £230. We have it today for only £149. Now, if you want this great coat, there's only one thing you need to do. That's pick up the phone and dial 0800 600 7000 and you need to press option 1. We have 200 of these available and they're already selling, and just here now, they're already selling like hotcakes. So if you want this fantastic Barbour Men's Quilted Jacket, you can have it in black, brown or navy, or even get free for different times of the year. But it's great. It's great in summer because it's lightweight, but it's great in winter because it feels snug and warm. That number again, 0800 600 7000 and press option 1. It'll be the best thing you do this winter. Hello and welcome to the Max Eden Show with me, Max Eden, obviously. Well, have we got a show for you? No, it's next week. Joking, of course we've got a good show, and it's a good one. On tonight's show, music legend, Queen of Pop herself, Madonna will be on the show. Now, Madonna recently started her Revolution of Love, and it's already Africa's #1 adoption agency. No, with all joking aside, she's had more #1s than I've had hot dinners, and she's a worldwide megastar. So glad to have her on the show. Also on the show, Hollywood funny man Ben Stiller will be on the show. How great is that? Ben recently made some jokes about the size of his private regions. He should see mine. There's a joke that doesn't need a punchline. We also have one of the best music producers and radio Illuminati, Mr. Chris Brophy, on the show. He'll be talking to us about his new calling into hairdressing. But before we get some guests out, there's just time for some news. And have you heard this week about the family-run newsagent in Wellington, Somerset, that's offering its own postal service to rival the Royal Mail? This is a true story, this is. Lorraine Letley of Letley News, who delivers the letters by bicycle, has been offering the service for a month now, and it's going well. That was till I went in and asked for a letter to John O'Groats. She's still peddling. Also in the news this week, it's been discovered that the Queen has started labelling her snacks and hors d'oeuvres to stop the staff, and let's face it, Philip, from eating them. Hands off, they're mine! So hopefully the Queen's watching, sitting comfortably, two tubs of Pringles and a Ginsters all labelled up, so let's get on with the show! It's been a crazy week for me this week. I bought a lottery ticket this week for a first time in quite a few years. I'd forgotten how the lottery affects me. As soon as I bought the ticket, I've already started spending it. So much so, it gets ridiculously anal. Me buying the big house, but then a neighbour's tree blocks my driveway, so I cut it down in the night. Then he takes me to court and it goes on and on. It gets crazy. All that and I only matched one number. I did some catwalk modelling this week. It's nice to know what you've got friends, what they think of you, because this week they thought when I said to them, I've done catwalk modelling, they immediately presumed it was for Giacomo. The nerve of some people. It was for Higher Mighty, I'll have you know. I've been Christmas shopping this week, as most of you will be. That was an experience. You won't find that on a Red Letter Day website. In M&S being pushed down the escalators going up. I don't know, I didn't know if I was coming or going. Anyway, enough about my dreary life. Let's hear about somebody else's. Let's get my first guest out.
Hello and welcome to the Kids Takeover with me, Chloe.
And me, Max. Coming up on today's show, we talk to new pop sensation The Vamps about their astronomical rise to fame, with a special performance later in the show.
Also in today's show, we'll be showing you how to turn those unwanted old Christmas cards into hanging wind chimes.
And for all those adrenaline junkies out there, keep tuned in later as me and Chloe will be abseiling down Manchester's only skyscraper, Beetham Tower, later in the show. That should be fun.
It's going to be a challenge, alright. But first, every year millions of children miss out on vital education, so I've travelled over to Africa to see what some charities are doing about it.